Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Rouse Academy, Hyderabad branch. I'm Shwetashri and I'm here to teach current affairs. So, the current affairs of the day is Girmitya system. Firstly, before getting into what this system is, first we have to understand the background of this Girmitya system. In the past, during the British colonial period, there are many laborers have been transported to different countries like Caribbean countries, African countries, Fiji, and many islands to work in tea plantations and again the sugar plantations. Those laborers are called as indentured laborers. Those are the laborers who are transported to other countries based on an agreement. That is, if these laborers work in those plantations, then in exchange they have to be either get settled in those countries in the other countries other than India, or else in exchange for the repayment of their debt. That is the indentured laborers who gets into contract with the then Britishers. The term actually Girmitya talks about, its literal meaning is agreement. This agreement is nothing but the agreement between these indentured laborers as well as that of the British government officials. That is that agreement which literally means the Girmitya. So it is in news. This is because recently we saw that PM Modi has been visited to Trinidad and Tobago, where PM Modi has talked with these Girmitya communities in Trinidad and Tobago. And there are many such kind of these Girmitya communities has been transported to different countries in the past, like one being Trinidad and Tobago, where in that country these Girmitya communities talk Bhojpuri language, whereas the communities which were in Mauritius also talk Bhojpuri language, whereas the communities who got settled in Fiji talk Hindi language. So these are the different communities being in news after so long due to PM's visit. So let's understand what this system is all about. So it is this Girmitya system being in news because PM Modi hails 35% Indian diaspora as the Indian pride in his visit to Trinidad and Tobago, whereas these indentured laborers from British India transported to various British colonies in the 19th and as well as early 20th century to work on the plantations, primarily the sugarcane. These British colonies include Fiji, Trinidad, Mauritius, and many other countries.